Hello, Roberto. My name is Scott, and I run Scott Evan Media, and we're a digital marketing agency. And I came across your website, and I wanted to show you a couple things. Your website's pretty good. It's put together awesome, and I love your story, and I love how you explain everything. But there's a couple things because I found you guys on page 3 in the Google search. Whether I was searching for roofing in Waco, Texas, you're on page 3, or Waco roofing repair. Those specific keywords are the keywords that your customers are going to be looking for when they're trying to find roofing services. All right, so 95% of people never go past page 1. Okay, so I found you right here on page 3 on this search. And like I said, 95% of people, they don't even go past page 1 because they're finding what they're looking for right here at the top. All right, now there's a couple little things I'm going to show you real quick that you can start to improve your ranking, start to move up. And that's what we do at Scott Evan Media. We help businesses get more customers to their site by getting you to the first page. All right, that's the idea. We want to get you to the first page, and we can totally do that with these couple tips that I'm giving you and like lots of others. And we can get you ranking for dozens and dozens of keywords, whether it's roofing repair or roofing contractors or Waco, Texas or Hewitt or Belmead or Robinson or wherever it's at. You know, we can really do that for you. So one of the tools that I look at first is this thing called Rank Daddy, and it's called H1 and H2 tags. On your website, these are your headings. These are your headings, these H1 heading status. You do have a heading. It tells me you do have one. But right now, it's your name, which is good, but building your success. This is one of the very first things that Google looks at whenever it's trying to figure out what is your site about. All right? Now, the way that Google ranks you on a page, to get on that first page, it has to trust your site that you have the best content for what people are looking for. Okay? And so this is one of the very first things that Google sees. And you want to make this be exactly what your page is about. Okay? The keywords need to be exactly what your page is about. Yes, your name is going to be in there. It needs to be in there. But other things like roofing repair, or you're a contractor, or whatever it is that you want to put on there and that we need to. And then this second one here, it needs to be, instead of our business hours and get social with us, it needs to be supporting the H1 tags. H2 needs to support the H1. So get real specific there with those keywords, all right? Now that's one thing that you can do that'll really start to improve your rankings. And another thing that I look at is your metadata. Now the metadata, when I put your URL in, it comes back that this is your title right here. Your title, your name, but it says Waco's most trusted company for roofing. That's a good thing, but it needs to be specific. Now when you look at a search, your metadata, the title, that is all these blue lines here. And if you look at some of the top ones, they are roofing contractor, Waco, construction, Waco, Texas, things like that. They're really specific for that specific keyword that people put in, okay? And that's what we need to change that to. We need to change it so that not only people see it, but Google does. More importantly, we want Google to see this title and know that, okay, if somebody sees this title, then it's going to match up with what the web page is about. So it just builds trust, all right? It just builds a lot of trust. Now, all these things, Scott Evan Media, we can do that stuff for you. We have several different SEO packages, search engine optimization. We can optimize your website to make sure it's the best website for you on the back end. All right, there's a lot of different things that we can do to start building that trust with Google, and you will guaranteed see your rankings go up. You will be on that first page because right now you're on page 3, and nobody's really seeing you as much as they need to be seeing you because you got good stuff here. You got a lot of cool stuff going on, man. All right, well, again, my name is Scott. I'm going to leave my information in an email for you. If you want to get in contact with me, just shoot me an email back, and I'd love to go over some options that we can do to help you out. Or those are just some cool tips for you. Have a great day.